Today we are going to learn about mastering API integration testing with Postman. We will explore how to efficiently conduct API integration testing, set up test environments, create and manage collections, write and execute test scripts, automate tests, interpret results, and apply best practices.
Welcome to our video on mastering API integration testing with Postman. As we delve into this fundamental skill, you'll understand its importance in today's microservices-driven world. API integration testing is crucial for ensuring that different software components communicate seamlessly. Postman serves as an efficient tool in this process, allowing you to set up, execute, and automate comprehensive tests. In this video, we will guide you through the steps of setting up a test environment, creating and managing collections, writing and executing test scripts, and much more. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to conduct API integration testing effectively.
In this section, we'll get acquainted with Postman, a powerful tool for API development. Postman offers an intuitive user interface that simplifies the process of testing APIs. At its core, Postman allows you to create HTTP requests, send them, and view responses. It supports a variety of request types like GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE, essential for CRUD operations. Beyond basic requests, Postman provides features like environment variables, scripting, and automated testing, which play crucial roles in the API lifecycle. As we proceed, you'll see how Postman can be a game changer in streamlining your API testing efforts. Setting up a test environment in Postman is a foundational step for efficient API testing. To start, you'll create environments that allow you to manage different sets of variables. Environments are context-specific, meaning you can switch between development, staging, and production settings seamlessly. By using variables, you can parameterize requests, making your tests more dynamic and reusable. For instance, instead of hard-coding an API endpoint, you can use a variable that adjusts based on the environment. This flexibility not only saves time but also reduces errors, ensuring consistent test execution across different contexts. Postman's Collections feature is a powerful way to organize and manage your API requests. Collections act as folders that group related API calls, making it easier to manage and execute tests. You can also share collections with your team, fostering collaboration and consistency across testing efforts. Moreover, collections support version control, allowing you to track changes and revert to previous states if necessary. By structuring your work into collections, you enhance your testing workflow, ensuring that tests are organized, accessible, and easily maintainable as your project evolves. Writing and executing test scripts in Postman empowers you to validate API responses and automate test scenarios. Postman uses JavaScript for scripting, allowing you to write pre-request and test scripts. Pre-request scripts run before sending the request, useful for setting or modifying variables. Test scripts, on the other hand, validate the response data. You can check status codes, response times, and content types, ensuring that your API behaves as expected. Custom scripts can further enhance your tests, allowing for complex validation logic. As you script, debugging tools help troubleshoot and refine your scripts, ensuring accuracy and reliability. Automation is a key aspect of efficient API testing, and Postman's Newman CLI tool enables you to run collections from the command line. Newman allows you to execute tests outside of the Postman UI, which is essential for integrating with C/CD pipelines. By automating test execution, you ensure that your APIs are consistently validated as part of your development workflow. This continuous testing approach identifies issues early, reducing the risk of defects in production. As we explore Newman, you'll see how it transforms manual tests into automated processes, enhancing productivity and reliability.
Interpreting test results is critical for understanding the health of your APIs. Postman provides detailed feedback on test execution, highlighting past and failed tests. When a test fails, debugging becomes essential. Postman's console helps you inspect request and response data, identify errors, and refine your tests. By analyzing test results and using debugging tools, you can enhance test accuracy and ensure that your API meets expected standards. Understanding how to interpret and respond to test outcomes is vital, as it informs necessary adjustments and improvements to your API and testing strategies.
Implementing best practices in API integration testing ensures robust and reliable outcomes. Start by designing effective test cases that cover various scenarios and edge cases. Comprehensive test coverage minimizes the risk of undetected issues. Maintain a consistent set of test data to ensure repeatability and reliability. Collaboration among team members is also crucial, as shared insights enhance test quality. Finally, embrace a mindset of continuous improvement, regularly reviewing and refining your testing processes to keep pace with evolving project requirements. By adhering to these best practices, you'll elevate the quality and reliability of your API integrations.
Let's explore a real-world example of API integration testing. In this case study, a fintech company faced challenges with their payment processing API. The team used Postman to address these issues, setting up comprehensive test environments and collections. They wrote detailed test scripts to validate transaction flows and ensure data integrity. By automating tests with Newman, they integrated testing into their C/CD pipeline, catching issues early in the development cycle. The results were impressive: reduced downtime, improved transaction reliability, and faster issue resolution. This case underscores the power of effective API testing in enhancing software quality and reliability.
As we conclude, let's recap the key learnings from our exploration of API integration testing with Postman. We've seen how API testing is a cornerstone of ensuring seamless communication between software components, particularly in microservices architectures. Postman emerges as a versatile tool, enabling efficient setup, execution, and automation of tests. I encourage you to practice and apply these skills in your projects. Continue exploring further learning resources to deepen your understanding and proficiency in API testing. Thank you for joining us, and happy testing!